Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make grape tiramisu, easy method. First, you'll need about 2 pounds of seedless grapes, 1 package of ladyfingers, and 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Begin by creating a quick grape syrup by simmering half of your grapes with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a splash of water. This will be used to moisten the ladyfingers. Next, combine the mascarpone with 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and 1 cup of heavy cream, whipping until it forms soft peaks. Now it's time to assemble your delicious grape tiramisu. Take each ladyfinger and quickly dip it into the cooled grape syrup, ensuring it's moist but not soggy. Place a single layer of these syrup-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, carefully spread about 1/3 of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. This creates the first delightful layer of your dessert. To enhance the grape flavor, scatter a layer of your remaining fresh, halved grapes over the mascarpone cream. Repeat the layering process, another row of syrup-dipped ladyfingers, followed by more mascarpone cream, and then more fresh grapes. Continue until all ingredients are used, finishing with a cream layer. Cover the dish and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once thoroughly chilled, your grape tiramisu is ready to be served. For a classic finish, lightly dust the top with a fine layer of cocoa powder using a small sieve. You can also add a few whole fresh grapes or a sprig of mint for an elegant garnish. Slice and serve this refreshing dessert to your guests. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade grape tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.